The newly announced partnership between Wrench and Bridgestone-Firestone adds up to a one-stop shop for fleets and consumers.
We're really excited about the relationship that we've developed with Bridgestone Firestone, and we've been engaging with them for well over a year, and have really formalized it here and announced it, recently. But what we're really trying to do is to bring this one-stop shop to our fleet customers and to consumers. And if you think about what Wrench is really good at, we started with a technology platform to streamline mobility services. Bridgestone Firestone has pure coverage and tires, right? They have, coast to coast coverage, and so the combination of these two things where we can really be that one-stop shop of anything as simple as I'm buying a new fleet vehicle and I'm buying it from someone else, so I need to deploy someone out to inspect it to make sure I know what I'm getting, to, all right, it's a great vehicle, but it needs tires. All right, we'll hit this button and we'll, get you tires at a Firestone, right? To, I need my preventative maintenance and I need to do it off hours on location. The Wrench technician will show up and will eliminate any downtime of your vehicles. There may be some things that are bigger that we can't do on location. Well, you can schedule that and have it brought into a Firestone then, and we can do that there as well. So what we're trying to do is really come at this from a customer-centric approach to simplify the process of something that is, historically been really, a hassle for people.